Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can enable Apple Pay on your Stripe store. So to start with, you first want to be on a Stripe website like I am here, and we just want to head into the dashboard, which you can find in the top right corner. So once we click on that, we'll be taken to this page, and from here we want to head into our settings, and we can find that by this cog right here. So once you've clicked on that, we want to look for product settings, and then if we just go 2 down, and the first tab, you can find payment methods. So click on that. So to start with, we got cards here, but we're not interested in cards right now. We want Apple Pay turned on, which we can find down here under wallets. Now, as you can see, mine's already turned on, and that's simply because I'm in the test mode. It's automatically on like this. But if you had an actual store, you would see this here, and from here you can drop this down, and you'll be able to turn it on here. Now, you also have an option to configure if you need to, so you can click on that, and you can add a domain or a new application if you want. So it's not limited to PayPal down here. You have Google Pay, Link, PayPal, and they also have WeChat and Alipay, which are popular in China. So enabling Apple Pay and all these other wallets can be a really good idea because of the convenience of it, basically. It's like people can go to your website and they can literally buy something in about 10 seconds if they wanted to with Apple Pay. So it can really help increase your conversion rate, and it can help drive sales because you're bringing in a new way for people to buy it. It means they don't have to enter in their card details to your site, as some people may not trust certain sites and may not want to do that. They may want to go through Apple Pay or Google Pay, something similar like that. So once you've gone ahead and enabled it, Apple Pay will then be enabled on your store, and your customers can then check out via Apple Pay. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to enable Apple Pay on your Stripe store. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.